Welcome back. I am going to continue my mini projects that are part of my back patio and pool deck makeover. I'm breaking it up into individual projects. And if you watched my other video in regards to the bench, you know that I am an empty nester now. So I am trying to preoccupy my time by doing multiple projects. In this video, this is going to be a lot quicker because it's a lot more simple. And this is all part of my back patio pool deck makeover. At the end, once I get all the little mini projects done, I will go ahead and make a quick comprehensive video showing all the things that I did and setting it all up so you can see the big picture. So that's why I'm pointed in this direction. Behind me, I am going to set up a little sitting area and with a little, like a water garden and a couple of plants. And the plants that I am going to be planting, my goal is to help keep the mosquitoes at bay for anybody who wants to sit out here and enjoy the weather, especially in the evening during the summer months. So one of the things that I am going to be doing with this project is I'm going to create a water feature. I bought a pot that I thought would look good in the surrounding of the other pots that I am putting together. I did already plant the plants in the pots, so now it's just a matter of getting it set up. But I will show you what I used. I went to Amazon and I purchased a simple water feature. It's a solar water feature, so I did not have to worry about any kind of electricity or anything of that nature. And the way I am grouping all of these plants together, I'm nesting them as close as possible so that when the water is coming out of the water feature, it has the opportunity to water some of the other plants. That way I feel as though it will help minimize the amount of watering I have to do. Now the plants that I selected plants that were heat tolerant, such as lavender and thyme and rosemary. I also selected these plants because they are known for their attributes of repelling insects and other pesky bugs, such as mosquitoes. Over time, these plants should just get bigger and bigger, which will be absolutely beautiful. All of this set up right now, and I went ahead and I bought a solar fountain pump. I can link that below. The first one I only had for maybe a month or two, and I'm not sure what happened, but it quit working. So this one should be a better one. I will go ahead and get that piece together. Ooh. It comes with multiple tops, and I think you can stack one on top of each other just depending on what type of look you're going for. Let me go ahead and find a couple and I will put that together. So I am opting for this top. It's a base and then you just kind of pop that in. And then you just pop this on the top there. So there is a button on the inside here that has a minimum and maximum. You can push it up for minimum or push it down for maximum. The nice thing about this is it shows you all the combinations of the type of fountain and what it would look like. So I think I'm going to change it up a bit. Oh, I don't know. Oh no, that kind of looks nice. I think I like it. So the wonderful thing about this, if you've had any experience with solar fountains, is it moves all over inside the pot. So with this unit, you can just extend these arms depending on the size of your pot. That way, your fountain stays as center as possible in your pot. I really love this feature. The last one I had little straws that you stuck in through the sides. but I think I really love this better. So hopefully this lasts a lot longer. If it does, this is definitely my recommendation for a fountain. And there's Zeus wanting to play. He loves his ball. Get your ball. Oh, I think I'm really going to love this corner. I see myself many nights out here. Hopefully the plants will help keep the mosquitoes at bay, and it will give us a more pleasurable evening to just sit around, visit with a cool beverage during these summer months. What do you think? I think I'm really loving it. Be sure you subscribe if you want to see the full mini makeover on the patio and pool deck. And that's a wrap. Thank you for watching. Until next time.